Today let's discuss how to add an upload field on checkout fields for collecting user data. The File Upload Field option lets you to add the upload field on checkout page. This field allows the user to upload the files on checkout form as per the requirement of the order. Within the Checkout Fields editor, locate the section Billing, Shipping, or Additional Fields where you'd like to add a custom field. Here, use the interface to drag and drop upload field into your preferred order. After adding the upload file field, enter a custom label to display on the front end. After configuring the field, such as setting label, placeholder, required status, or default value, click the Save button to apply the changes. This ensures the field is added to the checkout form. Navigate to your website's checkout page on the front end. Add a product to the cart and proceed to checkout. Locate the upload option you just created. Upload a file to ensure the field accepts input correctly and appears as expected. Now it's time for you to check out by yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.